So this Hotel Europa or Hotel Europe, 43 Powell Street, was built in 1908. It was opened in 1909. So today is the 7th of December 2022. So more or less this building is about 113 years old. So basically it means that this Europe Hotel here in downtown Vancouver is one of the oldest hotel that is still in operation. So basically the road over here was built around this building or vice versa, but nevertheless this building is situated in a very strategic location and is very important part of the city of downtown Vancouver.